Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can grow your email list for free. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about real ways to make money online, passive income, affiliate marketing, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. If this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can grow your email list for free. And just in case that you're wondering, like, Diana, why do I need an email list? Hey, the money is in the list. Okay, you can be driving traffic directly to your offer. I'm pretty sure that you're going to be converting. But what happened if, the advertiser that you're using decide to shut down your account? You're going to be screwed. But if you have your email list, you can keep selling to those people, not only once, but as many products as you want. You can create a relationship with them. And remember that at the end of the day, people buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. Okay? So that means that you can get money for free. Okay? So I want you to take that into consideration. By the way, if you don't have a funnel builder, the funnel builder that I use is actually Builderall. Builderall is an all-in-one marketing solution. You can give it a try for just $1. The link is going to be below. The tool that I use for my email marketing campaigns is actually Aweber. If you want to give it a try, I'm going to leave a link below as well. So you're going to have a 30 days for free. And just in case that you are like, okay, why are you using Aweber rather than MailingBoss, which is the one that is included on Builderall? By the way, you don't need to pay anything extra for it. The thing is that I'm really used to use Aweber because I start building my business before I start using Builderall. So that's the real reason why I'm using this. I feel more comfortable with it. I really don't want to mess with the automations. I really don't want to mess with the list that I already have it here. So again, if you want to give it a try to Builderall, the link is going to be below. If you want to try Aweber, it's going to be below as well. So the very first way in which you can actually get leads to your email list is with this. I'm pretty sure this looks a little bit familiar, which is actually YouTube. By using a YouTube channel, you don't need to pay anything YouTube. By the way, you don't need to have a fancy camera or a fancy mic. If you watch my previous videos, the oldest ones, they are terrible. But the content is there, and that's how I get started growing my business. Okay, so this is one of the platforms that I really love because it's going to be working for me 24/7. Okay, so it doesn't matter where my customers or my potential customers are, the YouTube videos are going to be working for me 24/7. They're going to be creating a relationship for me 24/7, and on every single video I have a call to action that is going to guide them to my email list. So I have, I think over 300 videos right now. I'm not 100% sure. So they're working for me. If you are scared or you don't want to be in front of camera, it doesn't matter. You can just record the screen and that's it. So there are different styles, there are different ways in which you can do it. Again, it's free. In order to set up a YouTube channel, you just need to have a Gmail account. And you just need to start recording them. You don't need to have a fancy camera. You can be recording just with your cell phone. Right now, most cell phones have the HD resolution, even 4K. So this is a great way. Another way in which you can start collecting leads and growing your email list, it's by using Instagram. This is my Instagram account. I actually have two Instagram accounts. I'm not super active posting on my feed, but I'm trying to be really active on my stories. So as you can see, you can put just one link on your Instagram account. This is my Spanish account, the same. So you can see I'm not super active on my on my feeds. But here I have a call to action. Here in Spanish is something like, do you want to change your life? Click here. So the link is going to be to a funnel that is going to be capturing people's emails, that is connecting with my Aweber account. So it's actually the same. I'm creating content that is helping them. So if you're in the mood to create or grow your Instagram account because, hey, you feel comfortable using Instagram, it is great. The third way is actually with your Facebook profile. Okay, here on Facebook, my Facebook is not the best example because my Facebook is in Spanglish. Okay, I don't have two separate accounts as I have on YouTube. I have two YouTube channels. I have two Instagram accounts, but I just have one personal Facebook profile. So that's the only reason why it's not the best example, because it's in Spanglish. So that means that sometimes my audience is checking out my content in Spanish and they just speak English and vice versa. Okay, let me explain you how you can do this, because it doesn't matter if it's in Spanglish, it's actually converting great. You can add a link on the sidebar. I'm on the process of adding it. If you click here where it says edit details, or you can type it here on edit bio. If you type it here on edit bio, it's not going to be clickable. But if you add it here where it says edit details, it's going to be clickable like this, okay? But you need to use your Facebook cover wisely. In my case, I am actually promoting a way in which you can attract customers. And this is like the catchy headline. Then I have like a mock-up of the product, and then the call to action, which is click here or join here, and I type the URL since this is not going to be clickable. Okay, and I also add the URL. So as you can see, I am always providing value, pointing where I want to guide people, and everything leads to my actual email list. Okay, so this is something that I want you to take into consideration, just in case that you are wondering like, hey, Diana, I don't want to use my Facebook profile for XYZ reason, and you're thinking about doing this on Facebook pages. I have to be honest with you on this. Facebook pages do not have like a good reach right now, at least not the organic one. But if you are willing to pay, that's okay. So you can create your Facebook page, you can do paid traffic with it. But my suggestion is, rather than to create a Facebook page, go ahead and create a Facebook group. Okay, Facebook is actually giving more value to the groups, and you can have your own community. Okay, you can do the same. You can add a cover that is gonna have the link that you want to promote. Maybe it can be a free ebook. Maybe you're gonna be, giving away like a free cheat sheet or a mini course. Okay, so I want you to take that into consideration. Another way in which you can actually do this, and I mean building your email list for free. If you don't want to be in front of a camera, you don't want to be on YouTube, maybe you don't like Instagram, and you don't want to use Facebook. And one of my favorite is by blogging. You can create your blog, okay? So by blogging, you don't have to show yourself. You can hire a ghostwriter, and you can be providing, value. Okay, let me refresh this, because I want to show you actually how do I capture people's emails from my actual blog. Okay, my two favorite ways so far from the ones that I have shown you are YouTube, because it's another search engine, and blogging because it's a great search engine. So as you can see here, I do have a pop-up in which I'm capturing people's name and email. I'm giving away a free training so they can have the opportunity to learn about this. And if they click on the article below, at the end of the article, they're gonna have like an opt-in form asking them to subscribe. So this is a great way if you don't want to be, doing videos, you don't like to be on Instagram, you don't want to be on Facebook, that's okay. And one that it's really powerful is the one that I'm going to show you. And just in case that you don't want to have this organically, and by organically I mean you don't want to do this for free without paying, to drive traffic. And you might be wondering, like, Diana, you told me that, hey, you're going to show me how I'm going to be building my email list for free, and now you're telling me that there is a way in which I need to invest. Hold on, you're going to enjoy this one. Okay, this is actually by using a tripwire. The example that I have right now here, it's a product in Spanish, but it's the basic concept in English. So I have my landing page with the product. I have the description of the product, like the target audience, what people are gonna receive, and I even have bonuses. Okay, so as you can see, I have a really crazy price, which is $9.99. Yes, you hear it right. So people are getting this product just for $9.99. So what I'm doing is that I'm getting paid. I'm running pay ads, and I'm driving people that I know that they might be interested on this product. I try to drive traffic, so I break even. Okay, so the idea on this is not to be, to be wealthy selling this product. To be honest, it's going to be really hard with a $10 product, right? But to break even, because I want them to be part of my email list. Now I have a buyer, which is way more powerful than just a regular lead. This is a person that type in their credit card information or make a purchase with PayPal, right? And I'm telling them, like, hey, if you want to know more about this, or if you want to be more experienced about this, now I have my value ladder, right? Which I can offer them a full course, because this is actually a masterclass. It doesn't need to be a crazy product. In my case, I did a masterclass and I do have a bonus. So it can be an ebook. You can sell it. It can be between, I don't know, $1.99 and $9.99. Something that people buy right away, so that they do not need to ask for permission to their wife, to their husband, to the bank, to the dog, to the credit card. No, it's something like, okay, I'm going to purchase this right away. So this is a great strategy with paid traffic. It's by using a tripwire product. The product needs to be related to the other product that you have, to the core product. Okay, it needs to be related, because we have a buyer. We can offer the product right away with the funnel. And remember that my funnel builder is Builderall. Or you can be like, okay, now I have this customer. I don't gonna be selling them right away, right? But with my email list, I'm gonna be creating an automated sequence that they are gonna be receiving value from me on a daily basis, and I'm gonna be selling them other stuff. That person is buyer. So it's easier to sell to someone who already make a purchase, a repeat customer, than someone that it's to put in a way, it's a cold traffic. They haven't made a purchase yet. Okay, but these are several ways in which you can create your email list. Remember, you can have a YouTube channel, you can have an Instagram account, you can have your Facebook profile, you can have a blog, which is actually great. And you can have a tripwire product. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna help me. It's gonna help my video. It's gonna help my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.